Here's how to download and use free PSD text templates in Photoshop. First of all, go to this website called freepik.com. I think most designers know about this website already, but when you're here, create an account, and in the search box right here, type in 3D text, and then click on PSD to filter out all of the other options. Now choose the template that you like the most. For example, I'll choose this one. Click this drop down arrow here, and then click on PSD to start the download. And once that's done, double click on the file that has been downloaded. Photoshop will now open up on your computer with the exact template that you have chosen. Now double click on this layer containing the text, and now all you have to do is change the content of this text to any title you want. For example, the word subscribe. Then all you have to do next is click on File and then click on Save. And when you return to the main composition, you will see that the whole process was easy and quick. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.